Okay, hi again, everyone. In this short video, I'm going to show you an example, another example of how we can create a program that involves calculation in Visual Basic, that involve declaration of variables and so on. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so if you can see here, this is a program that will calculate circumference. Circumference is actually distance around a circle. Okay, so the surroundings lah, or the perimeter of a circle. Okay, so we are going to calculate by inserting a diameter in this text box. Okay, and then we are going to display it in a label. So I give you um, a demo on how this program will work. Alright, so let's say I have a diameter of 12. So I'm going to key in 12 and then I click on calculate. So the value of the circle circumference will be displayed here. Okay, 37.68. Okay, so let's say I add another one, 10, press on calculate, so it will be 31.4. Okay, so how do we create a search program? Okay, so let's look at the code. Okay, when you double click the button, okay, so you can see a series of code here that I've keyed in earlier. So the first line is a command to calculate and display circumference of a circle, and then I'm going to declare my variables. So I'm using dim dbl diameter as double and dim dbl circumference as double. So I prefer to put dbl in front of my variable so that I know that this dbl is actually a double format. Okay, so you can make it a practice to put dbl, int, txt in front of your variable name. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to use dbl for double. Okay, but if you don't put dbl also, it is not going to be any error. Okay, just a good programming practice. And then we're going to declare a constant. For example, okay, I'm sure you have heard about constant. Okay, that is the value will be the same when the program running. So we are going to use const, the keyword constant dbl pi. Okay, when we calculate geometrical, normally we will use pi as 3.142 something. The number will be long. I'm going to just use 3.14. So this we are going to declare constant const dbl pi as double equals to 3.14. Okay, and then alright. So this here to store a diameter in a variable. Okay, this diameter we get from where? We get from our text box txt diameter. This text box txt diameter. Is it txt diameter? Yes, because I have renamed it to txt diameter. So value of diameter will be key in here. Okay. So meaning that we need, okay, since it's a text box, so like what I explained just now, text box always read as a string. So in order for it to be used in calculation of the circumference, we need to change the string to double. Okay, so I'm going to put cdbl in front of the txt diameter. So when I key in 12, the program will read 12 as a double and not as a string data type. Okay, so dbl diameter equals to cdbl txt diameter dot text. Okay, and here is my formula to calculate circumference. dbl circumference equals to dbl pi times dbl diameter. Okay, and then I'm going to display the circumference where in my label. Okay, label LBL circumference dot text. Okay, um, if I'm using text box also can. So we just change to, let's say, text box, let's say txt circumference dot text equals to, okay, cdbl circumference. Okay, this dbl circumference um, is calculated as uh, this dbl circumference is calculated as a double, right? So we need to convert it to the convert. Okay, actually this one should be CSTR. Okay, now it's the correct color. It should be blue. So we should put it to convert it to a string. So when because DBS circumference is already in double. So in order for it to display in a text, we need to put the CSTR. So, uh, okay, then I have the me.close button. Alright. Okay, so let's just try to run the program once again. So let me stop. Let me share the output. Okay, so let's say I have 12. I press and calculate. My value will be 37.68. So if I put 14, okay, so you can double check. 14 times 3.142, okay, it will be 43.96. Okay, all right, and then I just press the exit button to end the program. Okay, so that's all for this example. Bye.